How to fix TikTok favorite song not showing. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, you want to launch open any web browser. Here I have opened Google Chrome. Now head over to any internet speed testing website such as fast.com and check. You can switch between Wi-Fi and data to check your internet connection. Next, you want to launch open Play Store. Now search TikTok over here. If you find an update option, tap on that and update TikTok to the latest version. Now launch open TikTok and check if your issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on software update. Here, if there is any update, install the latest updates. Once that is done, you want to select apps. Now find TikTok. Here select storage. Now select clear cache. Once that is done, restart your device and launch open TikTok and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.